welcome to another video with Brickright. I'm Justin, Brad's behind the camera. The one-armed bandit is back with us again today, Fraser, and we are here, really excited to be laying this patio for our lovely customer. So you can stay tuned, and what we're going to do, we're going to show you our new t-shirts. Well, have a look at these bad boys. Have a look at them bad boys. What do you think of them? Any good, Brad?
Yeah, they're right.
Let me know in the comments below what you think about the new t-shirts. These are the old ones, look. This is Brad's world famous incredible Hulk. You haven't been washing the car with this, Brad, have you?
I am trying to.
Has Kate been doing the skirting boards with that or something? So that's the old ones, and these are the new ones. Don't look at the model wearing it because fat, grey and old and smelly. So, but what do you think of these? Leave in the comments below. We'll whack you onto a hyperspace to do this. Right, so this is an update. Apologies, we had to stop the hyperspace because we couldn't. It's so cramped we couldn't fit the camera in. So this is where we are with it. And for the keyboard warriors out there who are going to notice many cross joints, for those who don't know what a cross joint is, that there and up here, that's a cross joint. And in our game, in the landscaping game, it's a bit of a computer says no, because it just doesn't look very professional. But there's a reason for it, so don't go tippy-tappy and saying you've put cross joints in there, because if you do, I'm going to send Brad over you and he will suffocate you by sitting on you. So don't go tapping. This is the plan that our customer Margaret has given us. So that's the plan for the patio there. And if you can get your eyes around all the X's, you can see all the cross joints on it. She's designed it herself. That's exactly what she wants. So that's the patio, what we're standing on. This there is the path that is coming off in front of us through here. So that's that. So we walk up here. So all of these have been laid to what our client requested and wanted. We said about the cross joints, but she's fine. She doesn't want to change it. And this now. So that's the plan that we've got, and again you can see there's going to be a couple of cross joints in it. So that's the plan that we've got to work through there. So have I cleared that up, Brad, about the cross joints?
Yeah, you just messed my bit of bloody paper up now, haven't you, you bloody idiot.
And then what we've also done, you abusing me, Brad.
I want to call it something else.
You're not being very nice to me, mate, are you? What have we done to you?
Be all on the internet, just so you all to know. I'd love to call
I
him.
was going to have a really nice young model because I'm fat, grey, old and smelly. So you're just
fat.
You're just fat.
Fat.
But so come on in, turn around, let's have a look at these bloody t-shirts.
Oh, new top.
So there he is, look. That's the important bit. So that's that bit. And that's the other bit there. And that's the best bit. Look at that, look at that for a good looking lad.
Oh.
Good young Irish Welshman.
An Irish Welshman.
Yeah. Well, that's what you are, aren't you?
I'm half Northern Irish, yeah.
Half Northern Irish.
Yeah.
And
the old man's Irish.
The old man's from Northern Ireland. So any Northern Irish people out there, say a big hello, Brad.
All right.
So, yeah, hope you're all doing well out there. So we'll crack on with this now then, Brad. What we've done as well is we cut this shovel down there. Or I've cut the shovel down. Cut about 2 inches off there just to make it easy at the shovel. And what would you say? Do you think that's
quite good? Just when you want to shovel a comp, or you're going to want 3 of them now.
It's much easier at the shovel here, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. I'm only joking.
It is much easier.
Much easier at the shovel.
Just to take a little bit off. So top tip for you, cut your shovel down a little bit, and it
feels like when you're shoveling it, like when he says he wants half a scoop, it's like on the end over there, and you feel like he's like trying to pull you down. Mm. You want to like, oh no, keep it in close, nice and light.
It's just made it a lot easier.
Life easier. That's all it does.
Yeah, exactly. Oh my god, I'm laughing my head off here because sorry. Oh my god. Oh, right. Compose yourself, Justin. Right. We were working by ear. I was supposed to be showing you the patio. We'll come back to that. I couldn't resist this. We're working by ear, right? And if you can just get a little close up on him in there. See the little frog there, look. There he is. Oh. Brad has discovered the frogs in there. He's run up around you. He went, ooh, there's a frog there. Went galloping up around there about 150 mile an hour, done a full loop and said, I refuse to go in there. I'm not working. I can't work next to frogs. So I've said to him, get in there, you big girl, get on with it, let's do it. So he's gone back in there again, and what you can see there, look, is there's all little bits of weeds and stuff growing up there. So one of them has tickled his leg. He's gone up in the air again and gone running off. He's gone. And then he was working by here, and I've tickled his leg. He's gone up inside there and gone running around there. It's 11:30. And he's turned around and said to me, I'm not going in there. I refuse to go in there. Can we have an early dinner? Where is he? Oh, God. Brad? He's gone now. Let me try and find where he is. I can't bloody find him. There he is. What are you doing hiding in there?
Bloody recording me now.
I've told them all about your I'm going to start calling you Kermit now. And I'm Miss Piggy. What have you got to say for yourself? You don't like him, do you? Go and work in there. What are we going to do then? How are we going to do it?
You pick it and you pass out to me. And
So you want me to pick it, you want me to sledge it, you want me to dig it, fill the barrow up, and you just do the wheelbarrowing, is it?
I'm not going back in here, not after what you just done.
Oh, God. Anyway, sorry about my... I think I might have let a little bit of wee come out as well, Brad, laughing there.
I think 4 of them as well. Oh.
When I touched the back of your leg there, if I'd caught that on camera, that would have been a moment, because you said, that's it, you've touched my leg, I thought it was a frog, I ain't going back in there now, I'm having early dinner, I'm off, and you went running up the street.
I only walked off because you pulled your bloody phone out and I didn't want to be on camera.
Anyway, the patio, which is what we're supposed to be showing, other than our bloody stupid whatever's going on over there. So we'll end this video on this. So what we've done is we've laid all this, look, all in. Those are being left out. A couple of holes are being left out. There's a big triangular pagoda. Oh, I'm out of breath after all our laughter. Triangular pagoda going in there, and all these walls are going to be charcoal rendered with a Weber render. And then the patio comes through here. You'll have to excuse the door because that lunatic has put the door in the way there. So the patio comes through here. Comes through onto this section, and you and Fraser had a go. You did a cracking job of it, didn't you? Yeah. And then so anybody that mentions cross joints, which are these here, please don't, because we have mentioned it. Watch the video and you'll know the customer did a plan, she wanted it, we've done it to her requirements, nothing to do with us, and she's happy, we're happy, it looks really, really nice. And we're going to have to crack on with this now, won't we? I'll have my phone on standby, so I hope to God one goes up your trouser leg or your shorts. What do you mean? It's in, when you sign the contract to come to work with me?
The worst thing is I got in it willingly in the end, and you go and do that. No way.
What did I do?
You know what you've done.
I just tickled your leg, that's all. He's not happy. This is what happens when Brad don't get. He's not happy. His lip starts poking out, doesn't it, Brad? Anyway, do the usual. Hope you can share in our fun. Do your usual. We're building up the subscribers. Thank you ever so much for everybody that subscribe. We've got 5,000 now, so it really means a lot to all of us. If we can get up to the 10,000 subscribers next, that's the next milestone, that'll be great. So get clicking, keep us really happy, share us a like as well, and yeah, leave your comments below.
Share us a like, just.
Share us a like.
Share us a like.
Well, you've got me all excited now, haven't you, from your little exploits with your little frog episode.
Well, I'll show you a like.
So, do you want to say anything to sign off?
Oh, frogs.
Oh, Christ. I got to put up with this all afternoon now. Aren't you lucky not working with that idiot? Anyway, see you soon. See you on the next one.